भ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैवच्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंदा। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। मुखं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुं दीनतारिणम्। Hare Krishna Mataji's. Thank you so much, first of all, Malini Mataji, for allowing me to do this bhajan. And thank you, Vrajachandrika Mataji, for such a nice introduction, which I don't deserve. So thank you all. And really, it is a benediction to get the association of all of you wonderful Matajis sitting at home in this situation, and it's pouring so badly, so much, it's raining, and all of you have joined and given me your association. Thank you so much. So we will begin with this bhajan, Jai Jai Jagannath by Srila Vasudev Ghosh. So to begin with, we will just sing the bhajan once, and I have my team of Kirtaniyas here with me. So we will sing this bhajan once, and then we will also learn to sing it. We will understand this bhajan. We will see the meaning of the bhajan and the mood of the bhajan, and then let us start. Just give me. No, you can't. Okay.
Hare Krishna, Shama Manjari Mataji, sorry to interrupt you.
Yes, Mataji.
I feel if you switch off your video, it may be better.
Because okay.
Now it's very low.
Okay, Mataji. Yeah, because of the this rain and everything, na, I think. Okay, Mataji. Is that good now? Is it better?
Yes, you carry on, Mataji. We'll see.
Mataji, is it better? जय अन्ना कोरे जाय चरना वंदन, जय जय जगन्नाथ सच्चिदानंदन, त्रिभुवन कोरे जाय चरना वंदन, नीलाचल शंख चक्र गदा पद्मधाम, नादिया नगर दंडक मंडलुकार, नीलाचल शंख चक्र गदा पद्मधार, नादिया नगर दंडक मंडलुकार, के हो बोले पूरा बेटे रावण लीला, बोलो के वैभव लीला प्रकाश कोरीला, बोले पूरा देते रावण बदीला, बोलो के वैभव लीला प्रकाश कोरीला, जय जय जगन्नाथ सच्चिदानंदन, त्रिभुवन श्री राधार भावे बेगोरावतार, हरे कृष्ण नाम गौर कोरीला प्रचार, श्री राधार भावे बेगोरावतार, हरे कृष्ण नाम गौर कोरीला प्रचार, वासुदेव जोड़ा हाथ, जय गौर से कृष्ण से जगन्नाथ, जय जय जगन्नाथ सच्चिदानंदन, त्रिभुवन कोरे जा झरना बंदन नीलाचल शंख चक्र गदा पद्मधार नादिया नगरे दंडक मंड दुखार देहो बोले पूरा बेटे रावण बदीला गोलोके वैभव लीला प्रकाश पुरीला श्री राधार भावे वे गौरावतार हरे कृष्ण नाम गौर कोरीला प्रचार वासुदेव घोष बोले कोरी जोड़ा हाथ जय गौर श्री कृष्ण श्री जगन्नाथ जय गौर श्री कृष्ण श्री जगन्नाथ जय गौर श्री कृष्ण श्री जगन्नाथ. Hare Krishna, Mataji, was that audible?
Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Okay, hope you are able to hear me. There is a power outage here. But
Yes, you're audible.
we will just begin with the explanation of the bhajan. So let us begin with the description or introduction of Srila Vasudev Ghosh, the author of this bhajan. So as you can see here, here is the picture of Srila Vasudev Ghosh. So let us first begin by understanding who is Vasudev Ghosh in the Leela of Lord Gauranga. So Vasudev Ghosh and his two brothers Madhav and Govinda are eternal associates of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Srila Nityananda Prabhu. They are fixed in Madhurya Rasa and they accepted Srimati Radharani as their ultimate shelter or Ashraya Vigraha. The brothers expertly performed sweet melodious kirtans. Whenever they sang, Lord Chaitanya and Lord Nityananda would immediately dance in ecstasy in Jagannath Puri. They led the chanting in one of the kirtan groups arranged by Lord Chaitanya. Vasudev Ghosh used his music and songs to preach in Bengal. He wrote many Bengali songs about Lord Gauranga, which are still sung by devotees. So here is more about the description of who is Vasudev Ghosh or Vasu Ghosh. Vasu Ghosh is Gunatunga Sakhi in Radha Madhav's Nitya Nikunja Vraja Leela. His samadhi is in the 64 Samadhis area in Vrindavan. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami writes that the three brothers Govinda, Madhav and Vasudev were the 82nd, 83rd and 84th branches of the Chaitanya tree. In his Chaitanya Charitamrit commentary, Srila Prabhupada writes, the three brothers Govinda, Madhav and Vasudev Ghosh all belonged to a Kayastha family. Madhav Ghosh was expert in performing kirtan. He was known as the singer of Vrindavan and was very dear to Nityananda Prabhu. It is said that when the three brothers performed Sankirtana, immediately Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda Prabhu would dance in ecstasy. According to the Gaur Ganodesh Deepika, the three brothers were formerly Kalavati, Rasollasa and Gunatunga Sakhis, who recited the songs composed by Sri Vishakha Gopi herself in the spiritual world. That's amazing. Okay, so the three brothers were among one of the 7 parties that performed Kirtan when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu attended the Rath Yatra festival at Jagannath Puri. Vakreshwar Pandit was the chief dancer in their party. This is vividly described in the Madhya Leela, chapter 13 of Chaitanya Charitamrit. So now we will see a little bit of the description of Rath Yatra. It will be beautiful because just 2 days back we had Rath Yatra. So because we were not, I think many of you all also go to Puri during Rath Yatra every year. I know some of you do that, but this year because of this COVID situation, you were not able to go. So hopefully this description will, give you the same bliss. So let us read about the description of Rath Yatra at the time of Lord Chaitanya. So the Sankirtan party comprising these three brothers and their performance of Kirtan at the Rath Yatra festival in Jagannath Puri is described as follows in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Everyone was astonished to see the decorations on the Ratha car. The car appeared to be newly made of gold, and it was as high as Mount Sumeru. The decorations included bright mirrors and hundreds of chamaras. On top of the car was a neat and clean canopy and a very beautiful flag, which we still see when we go for Rath Yatra to Jagannath Puri. The car is also so beautifully decorated. So let us continue with the description of the car. The car was also decorated with silken cloth and various pictures. Many brass bells, gongs and ankle bells rang. For the pastimes of the Rath Yatra ceremony, Lord Jagannath got aboard one car and his sister Subhadra and elder brother Balaram got aboard two other cars. For 15 days, Lord Jagannath had remained in a secluded place with the supreme goddess of fortune and had performed his pastimes with her. Having taken permission from the goddess of fortune, the Lord came out to ride on the Ratha car and perform his pastimes for the pleasure of the devotees. As the car stood still, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gathered all his devotees and with his own hand decorated them with flower garlands and sandalwood pulp. Paramananda Puri and Brahmananda Bharati were both personally given garlands and sandalwood pulp from the very hands of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This increased their transcendental pleasure. Similarly, when Advaita Acharya and Nityanand Prabhu felt the touch of the transcendental hand of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they both were very pleased. The Lord also gave garlands and sandalwood pulp to the performers of Sankirtan. The chief performers were Swarup Damodar and they were altogether 4 parties of Kirtan performers comprising 24 chanters. In each party there were also 2 Mridanga players making an additional 8-person party. When the 4 parties were formed, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after some consideration, divided the chanters. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ordered Nityananda Prabhu, Advaita Acharya, Haridas Thakur and Vakreshwara Pandit to dance in each of the 4 respective parties aside from the other 3. The Lord formed another group, appointing Govinda Ghosh as the Haridas, Vishnudas and Raghav Pandit sang in response to Govinda Ghosh. The 2 brothers of Govinda Ghosh, Madhav Ghosh and Vasudev Ghosh, also joined the group as responsive singers. In that Kirtan group, Vakreshwar Pandit was the dancer. So previously also we read this, how in this group of Govinda Ghosh, Vasu Ghosh and Madhav Ghosh, Vakreshwar Pandit used to be the dancer. Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu performed his pastimes for some time in this way. He personally sang and induced his personal associates to dance. According to the Gaura Parshada Charitavali, the 3 brothers Vasudeva Ghosh, Madhav Ghosh and Govinda Ghosh were especially sweet-throated singers. When these 3 would sing, Nityananda Prabhu himself would dance in great ecstasy. It is said that their home village was within Srihatta. Many of us go during yatras to this place called Srihatta, hailed from Srihatta, in a place which was called either Budan or Burangi Gram. In any case, it is known that Vasudeva Ghosh's father resided in Kumarahatta. This place also many of you might have been. After the passing away of their father, Vasudev Ghosh, Govind Ghosh and Madhav Ghosh went to live in Navadvip Dham. They came from the northern part of Radha Desh, where the Ganges does not flow. All three of them are the eternal associates of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu. What do I need to speak of all of your hundreds and hundreds of avatars when, O Lord Gauranga, you alone are the topmost? All the Vishnu avatars as well as Lord Shiva, Sukadev Goswami, Narad Muni, the four Kumaras, all the masters of the universe are begging for the divine love which you alone can distribute. You gave us in your former Leela as Lord Ram for constructing a floating bridge of stones across the Indian Ocean to Sri Lanka. Now in this Kali Yuga, you have given us the bridge of Kirtan, by which even the lame and blind can cross over the ocean of material existence and attain supreme spiritual happiness. So look at this beautiful comparison here, that as Lord Ram, he constructed a floating bridge of stones across the Indian Ocean. So we all know Lord Ram did that. In Ramayana we read about that. But in Kali Yuga, he has given us the bridge of Kirtan, by which even the lame and blind can cross over the ocean of material existence and they can attain the supreme spiritual happiness. Without any qualification for receiving this mercy, all men and women can dance in ecstasy and attain perfection by the mercy of Sri Gauranga. Sri Gauranga Mahaprabhu ki Jai. It is said that Govind Ghosh Thakur had no children. Now this is a very beautiful pastime. Please listen attentively. So Govind Ghosh is, as we read, he is one of the brothers, one of the three brothers. So Govind Ghosh Thakur had no children. So as he grew old, he was in some anxiety, worrying about who would perform his funeral ceremony and offer a sacrifice in his honor after his passing away. So one night, in his dream, Gopinath, his Krishna deity, came to him and said, "Do not worry, I shall perform the sacrificial offerings myself. Have no fear." Jai, Hari Bol. How beautiful is that? Lord Gopinath himself promising to Govind Ghosh. Because of the surrender of Govind Ghosh and all the three brothers to the Kirtan movement of the Lord reciprocated so beautifully. Even to this day, every year on the anniversary of the passing away of Sri Govinda Ghosh Thakur, the Gopinath deity performs the sacrificial ceremonies. So I have not witnessed, but maybe many of you all are senior devotees, you might have been there during this time. So that is a beautiful pastime of Govind Ghosh. So Sri Vasudev Ghosh, an intimate associate of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, was known for his kirtan. Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita says that when Vasudev Ghosha led kirtan, even wood and stone would melt upon hearing it. Hari Bol. So I'm going to repeat this. Please listen carefully. Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita says that when Vasudev Ghosh led kirtan, even wood and stone would melt upon hearing it. So we can't imagine how beautiful and how melodious it would have been. So he has composed many songs about Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Vasudev Ghosh and his brothers Govinda and Madhav are eternal associates of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Lord Nityananda Prabhu. Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur states that they are immediate expansions of Srimati Radharani. So Srila Vasudev Ghosh Thakur, he passed away on the second day of the full moon in the month of Kartik. So in the beginning we saw in the picture, his Samadhi Mandir picture was there. So that is all about the glories of Vasu Ghosh. So now let us quickly understand the mood of this bhajan. So as we know, we have so many prolific poets, so many prolific authors. So as like Narottam Das Thakur, Bhakti Vinod Thakur. So Vasu Ghosh is one among them. And each one of these poets has their unique mood. So Vasu Ghosh has written this bhajan, and let us try to understand his mood. So he speaks in this bhajan, he tells about the sweetness of the Lord appearing in various forms or various avataras, and also the nature of the Lord's appearance. So let's try to understand the nature of the Lord's appearance. So the Bhagavad Gita says, Bhagavad Gita 4.9. Can everybody please mute? I can hear some disturbance. Hare Krishna. Shame Divya. One who knows the transcendental nature of my appearance and activities does not, upon leaving the body, take his birth again in this material world, but attains my eternal abode, O Arjuna. So Lord Chaitanya, Lord Krishna gives this promise in Bhagavad Gita that if we understand the transcendental nature, Divyam means transcendental. So if we understand the transcendental nature of the Lord's appearance and activities, upon leaving our body, we do not need to take birth again in this material world. That is beautiful. So another verse from Bhagavad Gita 4.6. Ajopi san vyayatma bhutanam ishwaropi san prakritim swamadhisthaya sambhavamyatma mayaya. Although I am unborn and my transcendental body never deteriorates, and although I am the Lord of all living entities, I still appear in every millennium in my original transcendental form. So here the Lord is explaining how he appears, he incarnates. Sambhavami. Sambhavami means he incarnates. Atma Mayaya. Atma Mayaya means out of his own internal energy. So many people, they mistake that the Lord is just like an ordinary person, but that is absolutely incorrect. The Lord appears in every millennium by his own choice to deliver everybody, and he comes in his original transcendental form. So Shri Bhagavad Gita 4.5. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Bahuni me vyatitani janmani tavacharjuna Tanyaham Veda Sarvani Natvam Veta Parantapa. The personality of Godhead said, many births both you and I have passed. I can remember all of them, but you cannot, O subduer of the enemy. So this is another proof of the transcendental nature of the Lord's appearance. So we cannot remember any of our previous births, but the Lord, he can remember all of them. He is telling this to Arjuna. So that explains again the nature of the Lord's transcendental appearance. Etena is the original personality of Godhead. All of them appear on planets whenever there is a disturbance created by the atheists. The fountainhead of all incarnations is known as the son of the king of Raja. He has descended personally as Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And this verse from Chaitanya Charitamrit, Adi Lila 3.4. Anarpita charim chirat karunayavatirna kalau samarpayitum unnato jvala rasam swabhakti shriyam hari purata sundara dyuti kadamba sandipita sadaridaya kandare sfuratuva sachinandana. May the Supreme Lord, who is known as the son of Srimati Sachidevi, be transcendently situated in the innermost core of your heart. Resplendent with the radiance of molten gold, he has descended in the age of Kali by his causeless mercy to bestow what no incarnation has ever offered before. The most elevated mellow of devotional service, the mellow of conjugal love. So, Hari Bol, Matajis, this is about the appearance, the transcendental appearance, the nature of appearance of the Lord. So now we are going to chant the bhajan. We are going to sing this Jai Jai Jagannath of Sachiranandan. The bhajan. Mataji, are you able to see the screen?
Yes. We can see.
Somebody called Tejas needs to please mute themselves. Hare Krishna, please mute yourself, Mataji. Or if the host could mute, that would also be fine. So let us begin chanting this bhajan. So first I will sing. I will sing the bhajan and you can all be on mute. Repeat. Most of you may be already knowing the bhajan. So I will sing everything 2 times. Actually, before that, let me quickly go through the translation, the meaning of the bhajan. The first verse, Jai Jai Jagannath Sachiranand Paramavandan. All glories to the dear son of Jagannath Mishra and Sachi Devi. All the 3 worlds offer prayers unto his lotus feet. Neelachale Shankha Chakra Gada Padmadhar Nadia Kare Danda Kamandalukar. In Neelachal, he holds the conch shell, disc, club, the lotus flower, while in the town of Nadia, he holds a sannyasi staff and a water pot. So we all know in Neelachal, Lord Jagannath appears in, he has the Shankha Chakra Gada Padma, but as a takes his nation as a sannyasi, Lord Gauranga, and he holds a sannyasi staff and a water pot in his hand. केहो बोले पूरबेते रावण बदिला गोलोकेर वैभव लीला प्रकाश कोरीला. So we all know how Lord Ramachandra, he appeared and he killed the demon Ravana. In the Treta Yuga, this pastime happened. And then later, as Lord Krishna, he revealed the splendorously opulent pastimes of Goloka. Golokera Vaibhav Leela Prakash Korila. Shri Radhar Bhave Ebe Gora Avatar Hare Krishna Nama Gaura Korila Prachar. So here we see Lord Gauranga is non-different from Shri Radha and Krishna. And he has accepted the mood and the luster of Srimati Radharani. He has come to distribute the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Below we see in these 2 beautiful pictures how the Lord is distributing the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Vasudeva Ghosh bole kori joda haat, Jai Gaura sei Krishna sei Jagannath. Vasudeva Ghosh says, joining his hands, kori joda haat, Jai Gaura sei Krishna sei Jagannath. With great confidence he is asking us to accept this fact that he who is Gaura is he who is Krishna, is he who is Jagannath. Hari Bol. So we will sing this bhajan. Please try to repeat. Most of you maybe knowing it, but please try to repeat and sing. It will be a very nice experience. So let us begin. जय जय जगन्नाथ सच्चिदानंदन, त्रिभुवन कोरे जार चरना वंदन। जय जय जगन्नाथ सच्चिदानंदन, त्रिभुवन कोरे जार चरना वंदन। नीलाचले शंख चक्र गदा पद्मधार, नादिया नगरे दंड कमंडलुकार। नीलाचले शंख चक्र गदा पद्मधार, नादिया नगरे दंड कमंडलुकार। के हो बोले पूरा बेटे रावण बदीला, बोलो के वैभव लीला प्रकाश गोरीला। के हो बोले पूरा बेटे रावण बदीला, बोलो के वैभव लीला प्रकाश गोरीला। जय जय जगन्नाथ सच्चिदानंदन, त्रिभुवन कोरे जार चरना वंदन। जय जय जगन्नाथ सच्चिदानंदन, त्रिभुवन कोरे जार चरना वंदन। श्री राधार भावे बेगोरावतार, हरे कृष्ण नाम गौर करीला प्रचार। श्री राधार भावे बेगोरावतार, हरे कृष्ण नाम गौर करीला प्रचार। वासुदेव घोष बोले गोरी जोड़ा हाथ, जय गौर से कृष्ण से जगन्नाथ। वासुदेव घोष बोले गोरी जोड़ा हाथ, जय गौर से कृष्ण से जगन्नाथ। जय जय जगन्नाथ सच्चिदानंदन, त्रिभुवन कोरे जार चरना वंदन। जय जय जगन्नाथ सच्चिदानंदन, त्रिभुवन कोरे जार चरना वंदन। नीलाचले शंख चक्र गदा पद्मधार, नादिया नगरे दंड कमंडलुकार। नीलाचले शंख चक्र गदा पद्मधार, नादिया नगरे दंड कमंडलुकार। के हो बोले पूरा बेटे पंडदीला, बोलो केरा वैभव लीला प्रकाश गोरीला। के हो बोले पूरा बेटे रावण बदीला, बोलो केरा वैभव लीला प्रकाश गोरीला। जय जय जगन्नाथ सच्चिदानंदन, त्रिभुवन कोरे जार चरना। जय जय जगन्नाथ सच्चिदानंदन, त्रिभुवन कोरे जार चरना वंदन। श्री राधार भावे बेगोरावतार, हरे कृष्ण नाम गौर करीला प्रचार। श्री राधार भावे बेगोरावतार, हरे कृष्ण नाम गौर करीला प्रचार। वासुदेव घोष बोले गोरी जोड़ा हाथ, जय गौर से कृष्ण से जगन्नाथ। वासुदेव घोष बोले गोरी जोड़ा हाथ, जय गौर से कृष्ण से जगन्नाथ। जय गौर से कृष्ण से जगन्नाथ, जय गौर से कृष्ण से जगन्नाथ। जय गौर से कृष्ण से जगन्नाथ। Hari Bol Matajis, Hare Krishna. So I would request now some Matajis to please come forward and sing. That will be wonderful. So We have 30 participants here. So please, Matajis, I will display the lyrics here. And if somebody can please come forward to sing. Please raise your hand and
Raise your hand.
raise hand or directly unmute yourself and please let me know that you would like to sing. Matajis, please don't feel shy. Okay, Rati ke liye Radha Mataji, Hare Krishna. Mataji, would you like to sing?
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Nadia Nandini Mataji.
Shall I?
Yes, please, Mataji, please.
Hare
Please go ahead, Mataji. Can you see the lyrics on the screen?
Yeah, Mataji.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Please go ahead, Mataji.
I can't take your pitch. I'll take little less pitch, Mataji.
Sure, Mataji. Please go ahead.
Okay. Jai Jai Jagannath Sachiranandan Tribhuvana Koreja Charana Vandan Nilatale Shankha Chakra Gada Padmadhar Nadiya Nagare Danda Kamandalukar के हो बोले पूरा बेटे रावण बादिला गोलो के वैभव लीला प्रकाश कोरेला जय जगन्नाथ सच्चिदानंदन त्रिभुवन कोरेगा चरण वंदन. Shall I continue, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji. Hari Hari, please continue.
Like that only, no? Sri Radhar.
Yes, Mataji. Shri Radhar Bhave Be.
Shri Radhar Bhave Be Gauravatar. Hare Krishna Naam Gaura Korila Prachar. Vasudeva Ghosh Bole Kori Joda